Hello there. You may ask, what am I doing? Well, I'm chilling. I am in the recovery room enjoying a warm, hot blanket. I'm enjoying the recovery from the Normatec compression pants and really fully utilizing this recovery space post-massage. So when you're in here, make sure you check out the recovery room. Don't feel the need to run out and go right back into the busy, stressful world. Take a pause, spend 10 to 15 minutes in here, maybe even an hour, and just fully recover and relax.
I'm Stephen Conti, founder of Tocar Spa. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest self-care and wellness videos. Want to receive a personal massage at home? Learn about our couples massage lesson video series in the link above.